This is why you need to know what really happens when you sneeze. Forget the myths. Let's bust some science together. Okay, here's the real deal. When you sneeze, the pressure in your chest suddenly spikes. That pressure briefly messes with the blood flow to your heart. You might even see a tiny blip on a heart monitor, a skipped beat maybe, but your heart doesn't actually stop. It's just a harmless reflex. No need to freak out. Your body's got this covered. So next time you sneeze, don't worry, your heart is still beating strong.
That blew your mind? Wait till you see what's next, no cap.